In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Zoho campaigns. Whether you're organizing your lists or simply decluttering your contacts, knowing how to properly remove entries is a key part of maintaining a well-managed database. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at the process. To begin, navigate to the Contacts section through the Navigation toolbar. This section is your main hub for managing all of the contacts within your Zoho campaigns. Once there, you'll see a list of all the contacts you're currently managing. That's where the magic begins. Next, you'll want to make a crucial adjustment. At the top left corner of this contact list, you'll notice there's a View selector. By default, it's set to show all contacts, but for this specific task, we need to narrow it down a bit. So, go ahead and switch the view from All Contacts to Marketing Contacts. This change helps focus on the contacts engaged in your marketing activities, making the task much easier. After you've made that switch, it's time to identify and select the contact you wish to delete. Simply click on the name of the contact to open its details pane. Here, you will find all the specific information tied to this contact. It's always a good idea to ensure that you're selecting the correct contact before proceeding, just to avoid any unwanted mistakes. Moving on, in the Details pane, you will notice a Delete icon. The icon is your key to proceed with deleting this contact. A single click on this will bring up a confirmation prompt. Zoho, like many systems, requests this additional confirmation step to prevent accidental deletions, which can be quite useful. In this confirmation prompt, you'll see an option labeled Go Ahead. This is your final step. Selecting Go Ahead will permanently delete the contact from your database. Now ensure you're absolutely sure about this action. Once the contact is deleted, reversing this process isn't typically an option, so double-check if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of deleting a contact in Zoho campaigns. By following these steps, you ensure that your contact list remains current and extremely relevant to your marketing needs. Regular management of your contacts is vital, so don't be shy about revisiting these steps as often as needed. Thank you for watching and joining me today to streamline your contact management within Zoho campaigns. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more guides like this one. Keep those contact lists tidy, and I'll see you in the next video.